know, everybody's been getting this FPV drone from DJI. What you need to do before flying a DJI drone, you need to practice on something you can crash multiple times over and over and over again.
Almost down. Rough landing. Yeah. As you can see, it was a little shallow water.
Before you start flying your DJI FPV drone, you need to fly this. And you will wreck it many times and it will survive, unlike the FPV drone from DJI. This thing can take a beating. In this video, we're going to be talking about entry-level FPV drones. I myself been using the Emax product line, the TinyHawk product line. This is the Freestyle. And I love it. I mean, it's been wrecked like 20 times. Same props. Crazy. Alright. Let me get some flying in and we'll continue to talk about the experience that I'm having. Unbelievable. So I just went through one battery and I'm going to put in another set of batteries. These are one cell batteries. They're really, really inexpensive. I got 9 of them and I actually get 4 flights out of them. So let me get to it. Oh yeah, it comes in this really nice little case here. And I carry my batteries in here. My used up batteries I put in my pocket so I don't confuse them. Nice little case. Okay, so let's talk about what you're going to need to fly FPV. Well, you're going to need a transmitter also. Now, this particular model of the Emax TinyHawk is bind and fly, so that means it's tuned for you as a beginner. So it's not a crazy tune, it's nice, easy tune for you. You will need to purchase your own controller. And you can buy these used controllers out in the market. I bought the Tyrannus XD9, and I mean, I really like it. Very nice strings, good feel, lots of switches, programmable. Yeah, you're going to have to learn some kind of programming software like Betaflight. And since I'm a newbie, I got it used one, and it's almost brand new. Now, I did purchase these guys right here. These are the Fat Sharks. Man, and they're pretty decent. It comes with the DVR, and the range is not that good, but guess what? They're my first pair, and I really like them. So, let me get started. The way this guy works is you got to plug in both these batteries, unless you use a jumper to jumper it, but overall, telemetry recovered. You heard my my controller, telemetry recovered. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get all my antennas set up, everything ready, and I'm gonna start flying. Where am I gonna set it? Alright, I'll set it over here. Hopefully it won't hit. If I put it right in front of us, go straight up. Okay, let's see how that goes. So here I am. I'm just going to cruise up the field, and I'm going to slowly ramp up my speed and my pitch forward and go around this tree that's laying on the ground, come back and do a circle beam mode around me and around this tree here. Try not to hit the branches. Here I am going around again, and it's going to buzz me. There's some people coming in and play some golf, so I'm going to stay away from them. And I'm just going to shoot down here just to these little trees and go around these trees. Hard to see when you get into the sun. These cameras are not the best. It's getting a little FPV breakup. Not terribly bad, but not bad at all. Let's see if I can get to this other tree here. Oh yeah, a little further than I expected. The signal's breaking up. Coming back now. This way and stay away from the people playing frisbee golf. By the way, this is a very nice frisbee golf area. As you can see, these guys are playing frisbee golf right here. This little mini freestyle drone is just superb. It's so much fun to fly, as you can see. Continuing to do the circle beat mode. It's not that hard to learn. You just have to put in your hours to get used to the sticks. Okay. And I'm going to try and stay away from the golfers as much as I can, because I know they're concentrating as hard as I am to fly. They're playing. Well, the good many holes. Yeah, this is so much fun, guys. There's the last guy there. Get out to this last tree over here, turn around and come back. I didn't get around the tree, it just wasn't in the cards. I'm going to go around this one, try not to hit the branches, and around myself. There we go. There we are. So much fun. Checking the battery. 7.30 is not bad. Crap. Hit a branch. Survived. So, yeah, that wasn't good. Got going and too much height and hit the branches on the tree. I'm trying to stay low so I don't lose my drone. So yeah, it's doing pretty well. It's a lot of fun. So just wanted to show you guys how this thing works. It is tons of fun, man. He's over here playing some golf and I'm over here doing my thing. So yeah, it's super nice. Let me see if I can shoot the gap between them. No, he's not in the cards. Battery's starting to get a little low. Little bump. Pretty nice little drone, guys. Almost hurt myself. Breaking up pretty bad. Almost hit that tree. Little tiny twig, more like it, but it would have hurt. Dang, this thing's fun to fly. Yeah, you guys gonna have to try this, guys. This is the next step, no doubt. But the DJI product line is gonna have its niche, you know. Oh, just bounced. But this thing here is just superb flyer, and it's so rugged, and it costs nothing to fly. You're in this thing, maybe $200, you know? And now I would probably say the drone itself is $100. you know, but the goggles are $100, and the transmitter is going to be, you know, a couple $100. So, yeah, I mean, for this much fun, and the batteries are like 6 of them, you can get it for like $30. And I mean, how long have I been flying here? 9 minutes on this battery? No way. I guess so. I don't see anybody else coming, so venture around this tree if I don't bounce off the ground again, or hit branches. Oh wow, that was fun. Oh, I hit something. I heard it. I felt it a little bit. Okay, now I'm running out of battery. I'll bring it on in. No more left. Trying to turn everything off. There it is. Straight ahead. I can see it over my goggles. There it is. Couldn't bring it back all the way because I was running out of battery. So there it is, guys. This is the way to get started. And not only that, I think it'll just expand your hobby to a new level. Everybody talks about how they reignited about flying. Well, sure. FPV flying is not easy, but once you get hold of it, it's unbelievably good. Now, I'll say this. I have not used the simulator. I've been learning everything on a small little drone, the TinyHawk. Where's my TinyHawk? Yeah, this is the Emax TinyHawk right here. You can see it's tiny, and I've broken it. I fly it all the time. I fly like 7 batteries a day on it. They're 1-cell batteries, last about 3 minutes. So I'm doing about 21 minutes a day flying this guy. Unbelievable fun. First I started indoors, and then I moved outside. So when you move outside, you run the big danger of like losing your drone, right? Usually you have a spotter. I'm in this area here that I'm keeping it really close, and I've memorized the trees and everything, so I know where it's going. So let me give
RSSI critical telemetry lost.
Yeah, so that's unbelievable fun. And I know you've been hearing that from everybody that's been reviewing this FPV drone from DJI, right? And I can't wait to fly it. There's no doubt about it. I'm not going to go crazy and put it in manual mode right off the bat. I'm going to take it easy and probably end up with sports mode most of the time, because sports mode is like Horizon mode in the Emax product line, and most of the whole built drones. So yeah, depending on the flight controller you purchase and all that jazz, man, these things are tons of fun. You can wreck them all day long and you won't break them. That's the crazy thing about it.
Telemetry recovered.
And these things are dirt cheap, and they're so much fun. I mean, so much fun. You gotta do it. You gotta try it. You gotta move it. I was worried about the transition, and I'm so glad I did it. I should have done it sooner, like 5 years ago, but that's okay. These little inexpensive drones are so much fun, guys. They really are. Let's get another flight in before the sun goes down.